Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, JotForm and ClickUp. So the use case here is, whenever there is a new response recorded through JotForm, automatically create task in ClickUp. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So JotForm is a software application which allows you to create custom online forms, whereas ClickUp is a project management tool. The issue here is that JotForm and ClickUp don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer data from JotForm to ClickUp. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google and now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly and now I'm going to hover over this product section and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to sign in. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. You just have to clone the template of the workflow. The link for the same is available in the description below the video. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this workflow in your account. Okay, so now I am going to scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and you can see so many workflows that have already been created over here. So now I'm going to create a new workflow and I'm going to click on this button over here. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as JotForm to ClickUp. Okay, now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now here in Choose App, first I am going to choose JotForm. Okay, now in trigger event according to our workflow, whenever we get a new response through the form in JotForm, we want to create a task in ClickUp. That is why new response will be a trigger event over here. Now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? Let me tell you that automations run on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, whenever we get a new response through a form in JotForm, we want to create a task in ClickUp. That is why new response in JotForm will be our trigger event, whereas creating a task in ClickUp will be our action event. So now when you come down, after choosing the app and after choosing the trigger event, you can see a webhook URL displayed over here. Now what is this webhook URL and how is it helpful for us? Let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook URL helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So after choosing the app and after choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is JotForm in our case. So you can read the instructions carefully written over here and you can just follow them. So now what I'm going to do is I'll copy this webhook URL from here and I'll go to my JotForm. So I've already opened my JotForm over here. Okay, so now here you can see I've already created some JotForms over here. You can see. So this is the form that I've created specially for our workflow and we are going to capture our response from this JotForm. Okay, so now I'm going to click here in more and you can see settings option over here. Okay, so these are the form settings over here. So now what I'm going to do is you can see integrations option over here. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so now I'm going to search for webhooks over here. You can see we have webhooks option. I'm going to click on it. I'll just remove this here and I'm going to paste the webhook URL that we got from Pabbly Connect, this one. So I'm just going to paste it. Okay, so now I'm going to click on complete integration. Okay, so you can see integration is ready. Now I'm going to click on finish. Okay, so now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now I'm going to click on capture webhook response. So now it is waiting for webhook response. That means it is time to go to our form and then we are going to create a new response. So I'll go to my form. I've already opened it here. So task title, first step integration Okay, description, are going to do our first step integration for Jotform and Click. Okay. Now in tag, I am going to put Jotform to ClickUp. Okay. Submit feedback. Okay. So you can see we have successfully filled a form over here. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay. So you can see Pabbly Connect has already captured our data. You can see it has captured all the information over here. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to save it. Okay. So now here we have successfully finished our first step integration. Now let's begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate ClickUp and Pabbly Connect. So here I am going to choose ClickUp. And now in action event, whenever a new response comes from a Jotform, we want to create a task in ClickUp. That is why create task will be our action event. Now I'm going to connect with ClickUp. So create new or select existing credentials. Now here, if you want, you can select any existing credential, or if you want, you can just go for new credentials. Now here it is asking us for the API token. The instruction to get the API token is written over here. You can just follow them. Okay, so now I'll go to my ClickUp account. Okay, so now here in left hand side corner, you can see profile settings. So here I am going to go to apps. Okay, so now here you can see we have the API token. If you want, you can also regenerate the token and you can use it. I'll just copy this one and I'm going to paste it. So now this API token is going to help us to build a connection between ClickUp and Pabbly Connect. Now I am going to click on save. Okay, so now here we have some empty fields and we have to fill the information according to our response. So first is workspace. So in my ClickUp account, I only have one workspace, that is Ashi's workspace. That is here, you can see. Okay, so now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. So now space. Here you can see I have 4 options, and if I go to my ClickUp account, you can see I have 4 space over here. Pabbly, DLFG, Junk and space. So now I want to create a task inside this space. That is why I let it be Pabbly itself. Coming to folder name, I only have one folder under this space, that is Pabbly, that is integrations. So I'll let it be the same. List name. Now here you can see I have so many lists already created. So I'll go back to my ClickUp account. You can see I have so many lists over here. If you want, you can create a new list by clicking on this plus button. Or if you want, you can just rename any list or choose any one of these existing lists. So what I'm going to do is I'll just take this list. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this list itself. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in list, I am going to choose integration. Okay, task name. So here I'll just map the form name or the title of our form, that is Jotform to ClickUp. Okay, in description, I'll put our description. It is here. Okay, assignee email, I'll let it be Ashi. Tags. So we have our tag over here, but you can see that you have to enter the tags in double quotes. So I'm going to add double quote over here. Now we'll just map our tag. We have our tag over here. Okay. Now priority, I'll keep it as urgent, due date and start date. Now because in our form, in Jotform, we didn't have any field for the date, here I am just going to use skip. If you want and if you have the field of date, then you can easily put your start date and due date. But one thing that you have to keep in mind is that you have to enter your date in timestamp format, and that too in milliseconds. So you can easily use date and time formatter and convert your date into timestamp format. And then after that, you can easily use number formatter and convert your date into milliseconds. So now here I am just going to use this skip because I am going to skip this field value. Okay. Now status, I'll let it be to do, save and send test request. Okay, so we've got our API response. That means we have successfully finished the integration of Jotform and ClickUp. Now let us go back to ClickUp and check if a new task is created there or not. So I'll go to my ClickUp account. So integration was the list where we wanted to create a task. Let us scroll down. Here you can see we have a new task created, Jotform to ClickUp. Okay, you can see Jotform to ClickUp is here. The description is here. And you can even see the tag over here. Okay, so we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'll go back to my form. Okay, so now we are again going to fill the form. So task title is going to be second step integration are going to begin with our second step integration of to ClickUp. Tag submit feedback. Okay, now we'll again go to our ClickUp and we are going to check if a new task is created there or not. So I'll go back to my ClickUp. So now here you can see we have a task created over here. I'll just open it. Okay, so you can see JotForm to ClickUp. You can even see the description over here. Okay, so we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from JotForm to Pabbly Connect. Then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to ClickUp. So now every time a new response is recorded through a form in JotForm, automatically a task will be created in ClickUp. So we have successfully finished the integration of JotForm and ClickUp using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.